Good afternoon, students. I hope you and your family must be living safely and healthy. In this pandemic, what do we need is to have complete patience so that we can come over it joyfully and happily. Okay, and in this chapter, we are going to learn how important regularity is. As in the image, you can see the picture of Mahatma Gandhi, who said, "It is not the hard work that can kill a human, but it is irregularity and being unsystematic can kill one's comfort of life." And the story is based on the time when the world was very new and everybody was learning to do their task very well. Actually, this story, don't take it as for a fact, but this story has been taken so that through this we are learning something more about regularity, that how much important it is in our life. So colors have also a class there. They were learning how to color the world, but they were two colors, black and white. They were very naughty and not at all punctual. They were not systematic also. One day what happened, the clouds were also learning how to rain, and in this way it rained for so many days that there was no sunlight, and the people started craving for that, started crying for the sunlight. And one day it stopped and the sun started shining, but there was no joy, there was no happiness in the life. So the only solution was to appeal as a last, you can say as a last step, to the naughty, mischievous colors, even though they were still very young and weren't yet trained for anything like this. The authorities went straight to their classroom. It was still early, and as always, black and white hadn't yet turned up. So what happened? Still, black and white colors were not there. So those colors who were there, they were given the task to color the world, and they started coloring the world. They started flying next to each other and filled uh, the world with color. So on their way up to the clouds, each one of them colors left a resplendent trail. Trail, you can see other lines, beautiful lines, traveling side by side. The combination of all the colors trails was so striking and spectacular that smiles returned on everyone's face, and the world filled with the sound of applause. When everything was done, now it was the time for this black and white to turn to the class, but till then every task was done and a beautiful rainbow was created. This was the first time when the rainbow was created. You know, everybody enjoys to see the rainbow, but these two colors were out of that rainbow color, and they were not bothered about that. They didn't ask, in fact, to let them join to that color, and they remained behind. Okay, so indeed, they managed this so well that they now didn't mind being left out of the rainbow. They are now the most serious and important of all the colors, and no one can get anything done without them. Okay, so but they have become serious because they were left out of the rainbow colors. You can't see these two colors, white and black, in the rainbow. But after that, because of this irregularity, they got such punishment that they could not be the part of the beautiful rainbow. So they became very serious, and because of their seriousness, they paid much attention. And we know that in any painting, you can't make it without these two colors. To make it spectacular, to make it very appealing, we need these two colors. Okay, so this much was the story. Throughout of it, we have understood that regularity is very important for our life to run smoothly. So always try to be regular, not only coming to the school but doing your tasks, doing your homework, joining your class. Okay, whatever task you have assigned for, keep doing it. Don't make a heap of it. If you make a heap of it, one day it will be very difficult for you to complete it. Okay class, so after this video I am sending you the answers of this chapter along with the assignment. Okay, have a very nice and safe day. Thank you.